Hey there, are you looking for the perfect gift? For your big kid who loves adventure and fun? Well, look no further because the licensed Ford Bronco Raptor 2-seater ride-on car is just what you need. This ride-on truck is not just any ordinary toy. It comes equipped with four-wheeler suspension for a smooth ride, 3 speeds to choose from, LED lights for added flair, and even Bluetooth connectivity for your kids' favorite tunes. Imagine your child cruising around the neighborhood in style, turning heads with this eye-catching pink ride-on car. And with the remote control feature, you can easily take over the wheel if needed. So go ahead, treat your little one to hours of endless fun and excitement with the licensed Ford Bronco Raptor 2-seater ride-on car. Order yours today and watch your child's face light up with joy.